of the bee. The Quran says in Surah Nahl chapter number 16 verse number 68 and 69, from the belly of the bee we give you a drink of varying colors in which there is healing for humankind. Previously we did not know that honey had antiseptic properties. Recently we have come to know that honey has got mild antiseptic properties. No wonder the Russian soldiers in World War II, they used honey to cover up the wound. And healing was done with leaving very little scar tissue. And due to the density of honey, bacteria and fungus was prevented to grow in the wound. And if a person was suffering from allergy of a particular plant or tree, if honey obtained from that plant or tree is given to him, that person starts developing resistance to that allergy. In the field of physiology, it was 600 years after the Quran was revealed that Ibn Nafis first described the blood circulation. And 400 years after Ibn Nafis, 1000 years after the Quran was revealed, it was William Harvey who made it famous to the Western world. In our books today in school, we read about William Harvey, but no one reads about Ibn Nafis. But it was Ibn Nafis 400 years before William Harvey who described the blood circulation, which was mentioned in the Quran 600 years before Ibn Nafis. And today science tells us, in short, the food we eat, it enters the stomach, from the stomach it goes to the intestine, and the constituents of the food from the intestine via the bloodstream enters almost all the different organs of the body, including the mammary glands, which is responsible for the production of milk. Quran says in Surah Nahl chapter number 16 verse number 66, that verily in the cattle is lesson for you. We give you to drink from what is within the bodies, coming from a conjunction between the constituents of intestine and blood, milk which is pure for you to have. The same message is repeated in Surah Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 21. That verily in the cattle is the instructive sign for you. We give you to drink from what is within the body, milk which is pure for you. And in it are various benefits, and all the meat you can eat. Imagine, the Quran speaks about the blood circulation and the production of milk in a nutshell 1400 years ago.